Hey, what is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Wise account to receive money in US dollars even if you are living outside of the US. Now, here is how it works. So as you can see, this is my Wise here, and you can see that I have different account balances in here. Now, we're just going to go ahead and add the US dollar. So how do we do that? We're just going to go ahead and scroll to the side, and you should see this open button here. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and click this one here, click balance. And then I'm going to go ahead and look for US dollar. There you go. So I'm going to go ahead and click that one. And there you go. Now, if you want to see your account details or get your account details rather, you can just go ahead and click this one. And here it goes, everybody. So here are the account details for local, global, and for Swift. So yep, congratulations everybody. That is how it works. From this point forward, you can just go ahead and tap this one here and then click receive in order for you to receive a payment or get your account details in order for you to share it to somebody else. Now, yep, that is how it works. Congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to set up your Wise account in order for you to receive money in the US dollar.